Hi guys, welcome to my page. What are we doing today? I'm putting my turkey and my fish inside the oven. But the first thing first, I'm going to wash the fish and also the turkey. And for the turkey, before I put it in the oven, I'm going to season it and parboil it for some minutes before I put it in the oven. Yes, before I put it in the oven. I don't actually fry my turkey and my fish. Instead, I put them in the oven. Yes, I put them in the oven. You can also try that as well. Now, as you can see, I'm seasoning the turkey. I use onions, I use Maggi, I use curry, I use thyme, I use ginger and garlic. Yes, I use ginger and garlic. You can use more of ingredients, any spices, anything that you want, but in this video this is what I'm using. Yes, now I'm going to cover it after adding salt to cook for some minutes. As you can see, I've covered it. Yes, our turkey is giving. Yes, it's coming up. It's actually giving. Guys, please comment on my page, kindly like, kindly subscribe. Now our turkey is ready. Yes, I've already laid down the foil, so I'm putting the turkey and the fish. Yes, I'm going to put them in the oven and leave it for some minutes. Before we know it, our turkey and our fish is ready. Wow, this is ready. So we dig inside the soup. Yes, thank you guys. I love you. Bye.